Hey guys, and welcome to day one of Daily Serendipity. So today I'm going to show you this insane thunderstorm that is happening just outside of my house. So it is raining super hard, and there's a severe thunderstorm warning which has been happening like almost every single day here, which is like an insane amount of thunder and lightning, and it's a little bit scary. And like, I was driving the other day and I literally couldn't see a single like foot in front of my house or in front of my car, and yeah, like, oh my god.